Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I just downloaded a Gacha Nox. Okay, let's do a tour or whatever is it called. Here is my Gacha Nox. Okay, I will just Okay, when you get through, this is the difficult girl. And here is Looney. Okay, there you go. Everything kind of looks like Gacha Club, right? No, you're very wrong. Because if we go under here at the last, see this makes the Gacha Nox and the pupil right over here. This tree is my favorite pupil. And the eye section, my favorite eye is, this is the cute one that one YouTuber uses. I forgot this name. Is this one and this one. And this one, I have more favorite ones. What about the lips? You say here is the lips. The end is for the girls, cause for boys. And this is the animations. What about the blush? Okay, I haven't seen the blush here. Oh, we cannot go there. This dot makes the difference. It's the Gacha Nox. Okay, there you go. Okay, what about the nose? He said. Let's see. I think Gacha Club, Gacha Life did it. I don't know. But anyways, I heard there's a there's no sleep. You can move like that. And the vacation and this, blah. He said, and blah. And I don't know what is even this. This is presets here. I don't know, but the music is kind of dark of the Gacha Club. Let me see for this. I hope they added a header, because the Gacha Club didn't add. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's see about this. What? Oh, I never seen this rainbow wall here, right over here. Sorry for that. This was the smoke. Oh, bata. I'm sorry. Bata. Why did it? And Looney deleted. Okay, much better. Okay. As was I saying, this clothes is Gacha Nox. Sorry for that. Naked clothes. Oh, it's back again. Gacha Looney deleted. I know we can delete it. But I hope they could not delete son. Unleap him. Okay, perfect. Oh, the tail. I wanna see tail. Okay, guys, I'm back. Look at this. Have you saw this before? I have never seen this before. Okay, I'm sorry for yapping too much. I will now shut up and make my video. Is that Gacha? Hello Kitty, don't kill me. Okay, I promise I do not shut up. Wait, did I saw chat head? Okay, I have been shutting off for an hour or a minute. I don't know. I was turning off work because I don't have a wall clock at my home. Extra. Oh, let me see. Extra. Sorry. What is that? Is that the sleeve or TV? I don't know what's that. Okay, I'm back. What about the knee? I'm just gonna remove those. I wanna see the props. Let me see. Wait, did I see these umbrella before? These two umbrella right here. Okay, guys, I'm too lazy to clean it. Is that you? Oh no, I was mistaken. That is in the ice cream. Is that a poop? Is that a map? Among Us. Okay, yeah, it is a map. You can see. Is that the gay flag? I forgot to tell you. Did I told you or not? Write in the comment down below. Okay. Okay, we already know this gay sword right over here in this circle with the circle on it. And this gay sword. How do I wear this again? There you go. And this blue and blah blah blah. Now let me read the profile. Hey, I'm the difficult boy of Gacha Club. I thought this was Gacha Nox, not Gacha Club. Alright. There is still the same and looks new. Hey, I found something. This difficult boy isn't smiling, but this difficult girl has more details and more hair and more and is smiling, has a blush. But the difficult boy doesn't have Okay, let me see about the girls of fire. Hello, I'm Didi magical girl of Gacha Class. Favorite Is that Eva from my inner demons? What her demon from? Do you know Eva? No? Alright. Comment down below. I need to know. Oh, the clicking kind of sounds like Gacha Club. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay, this is all for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and do everything. I really want subscribers, but I only have 36 subscribers. So subscribe.